Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on whatever part of the world you are. Welcome to Goche's channel. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscription button, also hit the notification button, like our videos so that they will go viral for other people to also watch and benefit from what we share here. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button so that you'll be the first to receive our new videos. We keep updating you with videos that bring about or talk about opportunities, particularly in crypto and forex. That's what our niche is about. So today we bring you another mind-blowing video on an opportunity called vitalik'skitchen. Meanwhile, the disclaimer in this video is that it's not a financial advice. Our videos are mainly for educational and entertainment purposes. We see opportunities and we share them. However, if you want to be part of any of these opportunities, you also have a responsibility to do your own due diligence, or consult or contact your financial advisor. So today I bring you a mind-blowing video on this opportunity called vitalik'skitchen. And before I go fully into it, this is how to stake your BNB on vitalik'skitchen. You fund your trust wallet with SmartChain BNB. You copy the registration link that we shared. We'll leave it at the description of this video. You paste the registration link on your Dapp browser in the trust wallet. You change the network to SmartChain and connect wallet. Type in the amount of BNB that you want to stake. The minimum is 0.05, which is less than $20 as you speak. Then click on Enter Kitchen and confirm transaction. Once you do that, in about 10 minutes, your return on investment will begin to generate. It's as simple as that. Once more, welcome to Goche's channel. Go ahead and hit the subscription button, hit the notification button, give us a thumb up that will encourage us. We need a minimum of 1,000 plus subscribers on this channel. Please go ahead and be part of us. Thank you for doing so. Now let's go into the business of the day. Listen and enjoy it.
If the newspaper industry knew that the internet will blow them off from business, trust you me that they would have done something about it. The same thing also happened to the DVD industry, because when the DVD came, they thought that they will remain in business forever. Little did they know that memory card will knock them out of business, or even our internal storage. The same thing happened with the postal industry. Today you can see we can send billions and trillions of messages around the globe without having to go to any post office. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in a critical moment whereby mad rush is taking place. And if you don't also rush madly, you will be left behind and you will be in deep regret. We never knew that we will ever be in a system where you don't need any system upgrade. The same thing is happening with the Web3. Web2, we have been in the system for a very long period of time, and we know that Web2 is all about centralization and a personal private server. Now we are in Web3, which is decentralized and a public ledger where you are in control of whatsoever thing you are doing. what I just want you to understand is the power of Vitalik's Kitchen, because this is the DeFi trend. Please, guys, don't be left behind. Forget about the fact that you don't understand how DeFi works. You don't understand how Web3 works. Just because you don't understand doesn't mean that it's not a good one to take a try. Ladies and gentlemen, I also want to call to your attention that insanity is doing the same thing and repeating things all over while expecting change. You have been doing Web2 businesses, and let me be honest with you, any Web2 business have a control, and the truth is it has a short life, most especially online investment. So for you to stay ahead of the curve and also stay safe and secured, you need to embrace Web3, and that is why Vitalik's investment comes on board. Vitalik's Kitchen is an investment platform that allows you to earn BNB on daily basis. Any amount of BNB you stake. BNB is a cryptocurrency, the third largest cryptocurrency with over $60 billion in circulation or liquidity. So, which means you are mining a good coin. Then what you also need to understand is that once you stake your BNB, you will be getting 2% ROI, return on your investment, for a duration period of 1 year, which means that you get 2% every day, then 60% in 1 month, which is 30 days. Then in 1 year, you get over 500% of your money, which is a fantabulous one. Guys, what you also need to understand is that Vitalik's Kitchen have come to stay. I know you will be asking, what is the risk involved? The only risk involved is if the BNB decide to go to zero, which is impossible. So for you to think that tomorrow Vitalik's Kitchen is going to crash, you are just joking. And I want to tell you, 2 years from now, you will sincerely regret, and then you will wish you joined Vitalik's Kitchen. So what am I trying to say? Take the action right now that it's being presented in front of you. Don't make me to believe that, yes, because we were not trained on how to recognize opportunity, that's the reason why you don't recognize Vitalik's Kitchen life-changing opportunity. This is a life-changing opportunity. Take advantage of it right now. Let us make this money together. And then what you also need to know is that Vitalik's Kitchen has a low entry. You can start with as little as $20. All you just need to do is to contact your upline, and your upline will put you through. Then what you also need to also understand is that Vitalik's Kitchen withdrawal is instantly. You can make withdrawal at any time without any hassle. So because the system is not controlled by any human, it is not under the control of any government nor any task force authority. So which means that you are in full control of your withdrawal. Anytime, any moment. The least withdrawal you can make is $0.001 for you to know that even a kobo you can withdraw. Then you don't need any experience for you to make money in Vitalik's Kitchen. This is the only platform that you invest and your money works for you while you sleep, because you don't need any skill or qualification. There is no mandatory referral as well. You are not selling or doing any tax that they tell you click like this for you to earn money. No. We have passed that level. This is an autonomous DeFi yield mining. Now, this DeFi means decentralized finance, which means you are doing business in a decentralized way. Then it is a Web3 based business. This is a smart contract running on the blockchain technology, not Dapp. So you see, and then the good thing, as I've told you earlier, there is no admin or any central control. There is no government regulation that can come and say, hey guys, you guys should shut down Vitalik's Kitchen. It's impossible. Understand this. The contract is fully decentralized and is 100% decentralized. What you also need to know is that there is no backdoor, which means that the owner cannot drain the contract. The owner cannot go away with our funds. There is no vulnerability. Hackers cannot penetrate into Vitalik's Kitchen. This is an impenetrable system. So you don't need to be worried about whether it's going to be hacked or it's going to be shut down or it's going to go under maintenance. We have been doing this business for a very long period of time now, and we have not experienced anything called maintenance, and there will be no maintenance as long as the blockchain technology is involved. And then what you also need to know is that your money works for you from Monday to Sunday. There are some systems that only pay from Monday to Friday, but this one pays from Monday to Sunday. So guys, let us go straight to the moon. If you are still thinking on how to join Vitalik's Kitchen, trust you me that you are doing yourself more harm. Come and join right now. Let us make this money together. Under 4 months, I know testimonies are rampant everywhere, but let me share my own personal testimonies with you, because I'm the one doing this voice recording. Under 4 months, I've been able to buy an Infinity Jeep. all from Vitalik'skitchen earning. And that does not stop there. I've been able to build a school for my wife under 4 months with Vitalik'skitchen earnings. If you want to enjoy any business, put good money. Stop that fear. Kill that fear. Stop those dream killers. People discouraging you that the business is going to fail. They don't want you to succeed. That's why they are giving you reasons not to join. And then you also need to understand that you are the one to pay your own bills. Whether you like it or not, you will pay your bills. Be it student or employer or employee, whatever position you have, you must pay your bills. And I've come to understand that the way money is very important to us, we cannot do without it, because just as how fish in the ocean needs water to survive, so we need money to run our bills. Please, guys, don't take this for granted. And that does not stop there. You also need to know that as days go by, you are getting old. You are not getting younger. Then not just that, you also need to know that if you are a salary owner, or even if you have business or businesses, you need multiple streams of income. Because the truth is that if you are earning 100,000 naira in a month, for you to make 50 million naira, you need 25 years. That is to say, you don't need to spend any dime. You don't need to go to any vacation. And the question is, are you going to keep 100K just for you to save 50 million for 25 years? That's the question you need to ask yourself. And then one thing you also need to know is that if you are earning 50,000, ladies and gentlemen, trust you me that your name is sorry, because for you to save 50 million naira, the year is incalculable. And that is the reason why you need to give Vitalik'skitchen, a Web3 investment platform, a second thought. The system is into pure automated DeFi yield mining. Thank you very much. Contact the person that forwarded this voice note to you and take action right now. Let us make this money together. Because the truth is, whether you join or you don't join, I still make my 2% on daily basis. So this opportunity that came to you is divinely ordered. So take action now. Let's go straight to the moon.
I'm sure you have had it all. Very exciting opportunity. I'll be leaving my referral link at the description of this video. Go ahead and sign up for Vitalik'skitchen, an opportunity that is worth investing in. Meanwhile, if you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe now. There will be more videos like this, educating you and informing you. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification button so that you'll be the first to receive our new updates. Like this video so that the authorities concerned will be able to make it get to many other people who also want to take advantage of this opportunity. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Bye for now. Thank you so much.